Welcome back to Math with Mr. DJ. Today we're going to do long division. Let's start off with 234 divided by 3. Okay, so we're going to start off. Remember, we want to put DMSB on the side, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And we're going to start off with dividing first. Okay, so 3 does not go into 2. So if 3 doesn't go into 2, it's going to go in 0 times. So you're going to put a 0 right above the 2. And then we'll move to our next step, which is multiply. And we're going to do 0 times 3. And you can see we're starting off with that blue 0. And we're going to multiply it by the 3. And that's going to get us 0. And we'll put that 0 right below the 2. And then we're going to subtract is the next step. So when we do this step, when we're subtracting, we're going to just take that 2. And we're going to subtract we're going to subtract 0. And we'll do 2 minus 0 equals 2. As you can see right there, yep. And the final step here is going to be bring down. And what we're going to do for this one is we're going to bring down that 3 right where that 2 is, as you can see. So now we'll start the whole process over again. We'll divide, we'll multiply, we'll subtract, and we'll bring down again. And we'll just keep going. So right now we're going to divide. We're going to say 23 divided by 3. And 23 divided by 3, well, 3 doesn't hop into 23 evenly. So we're going to try to figure out how many times will it go into 23 without going over. And it goes in 7 times without going over. So yeah, you can see like with some left over, right? Because 7 times 3 is 21, so it'll have 2 left over. And then we're going to move to multiply here. And we're going to do 7 times 3. And 7 times 3, like we said before, is 21. And we'll write 7 times 3 is 21. And then we're going to subtract that 21 from the 23 that we had previously. And we'll do 23 minus 21. 23 minus 21, there we go. And 23 minus 21 is 2. And we'll write the 2 right there. And then we bring down the 4. And we're heading into the last part of this. So we bring down the 4, like I just said, and we're going to now do, we're starting all over again here. So we're going to divide 24 divided by 3. So we're going to see how many times 3 will hop into 24 without going over. And in this case, we know that 3 times 8 is 24, so it goes in perfectly. So yeah, 8 times 3 gets us 24. And we want to finish up the problem though. So we're going to write the 24 down below the other 24. And we're going to now move to the subtract. And 24 minus 24 is going to get us 0. And as we can see, when we subtract that, we're going to have nothing left to bring down. 234 divided by 3 is 78. I appreciate you. Thanks for liking the video and subscribing.